Hola, buenas tardes a todos. So I'm coming to you for my 900th video from East Tennessee, and I am going to tell you about a new method of learning Spanish. This is called the Camino Method of learning Spanish, believe it or not. So are you struggling with your Spanish journey? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can master Spanish by following the same principles that pilgrims follow on the Camino de Santiago. So we have coined this the Camino Method. So make sure you stay all the way to the end because the final tip will change your pilgrimage forever. Every pilgrim starts with uncertainty. We don't know what the Camino is going to bring. We don't know if we're going to find lodging that night, if our feet are going to hold up, if our backs will start hurting. It's the same with learning Spanish. You must embrace being a beginner. Let go of the idea that it's going to be perfect. Just be curious and laugh at your mistakes. Being a beginner is not a weakness, it's your greatest strength. In fact, on the Camino, in the beginning, you will be the strongest. Pilgrims don't walk 500 miles in a single day. It's the same with Spanish. You can't learn it all in one day. It takes time. So the pilgrims conquer the Camino in one manageable stage at a time. They'll walk like 20K per day and eventually they make their 500. So it's the same with Spanish. Don't cram. Just focus on small wins, maybe one tense at a time, one set of words at a time, one conversation each day. Maybe you read one newspaper article per day. In albergues, pilgrims from all over the world share meals, stories, and laughter. The same magic happens in language learning. Immerse yourself in a Spanish speaking community, online or if it's real. Speaking badly, making mistakes, but laughing all the time, that's where the magic happens. So, through all the imperfections, if you're in a community, if you're in the pilgrim community or you're in a Spanish speaker learning community, it all makes the magic happen when you're together. This is called the Albergue Effect. On the Camino, pain is part of the growth. Sore feet, tired legs, back pain, blisters. Yes, that's all part of the Camino. In Spanish, confusion, frustration, even embarrassment are signs you're pushing your limits. Don't run from that. Don't run from the discomfort. You lean into it. That is your brain stretching and building new highways. So, yes, embrace the pain. Learning Spanish is not a sprint, it is indeed a pilgrimage. Embrace the beginner, celebrate the small stages, find your community, and push through the discomfort. Walk your Camino of Spanish, and you'll arrive somewhere truly beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Video 900, signing off.